Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. The video today is going to be a DIY paper box. This DIY craft will take less than 5 minutes to make, and I will be using things I have at home. For more awesome videos every Sunday, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below any video ideas as well. Without further ado, let's get started with this DIY. To initiate with our DIY craft, you will need construction paper or any kind of paper you have. You will take your paper, fold it in half, give it a real nice crease, nice edge. So once we have our box, you can see all the lines we've made. Then we're going to give it another fold. So by the way, this DIY craft will consist of lots of folds, and it is worth doing them as nearly as possible to get a really cute box. Then as you can see, I'm indicating that we're going to be doing a vertical and a horizontal fold. So right now I'm making a triangle fold. We're gonna give it a nice crease as well. And as you can see, the first fold is like bringing it up like so and give it a nice crease to see the lines as I said before. And then I'm gonna give it another fold. And right now I'm taking my pair of scissors, and like I'm seeing a lot of excess of paper that just doesn't belong on the paper. So you will need to have real measurements, and I cut that out just to make the box even with all the sizes. And so right now I'm just giving a crease, and now I need to do some more folds. So this part is going to be like a fortune teller. You bring in the corners, bring in some more corners, and you bring in the last corner as you can see. All right, nice and straight. And so as I said, it's going to be like a fortune teller. It's kind of easy in doing that, but there is more steps that consist with this box. So as I'm indicating here on the horizontal part, we're going to fold that in half. We're gonna bring that up, and then we're gonna bring one down and folding it again and giving it a real nice crease or a little nice edge just to see all the lines where they belong. We're going to give another fold. They're going to be smaller as you can see. We're gonna give it, so there are two of them, so we're gonna bring up one, open it up, and it's the same thing. So as you can see, it's like a little square with a lot of folds. We're gonna open it up, leave two triangles open, and we're gonna leave two triangles to stand by itself just to see the form of the box. And so you will need to keep it in place for the little papers that are standing. We're gonna, where you are seeing right now, there are two corners right there that are hidden, and you will need to push those two corners, push it in, and once you see that it clicks into the little box, it will stay in place. And once you are done with that side, you guys will be doing the other side again, repeating the same thing. The little two corners, push it in, and there you will have your little box. So this DIY craft is quite easy if you practice, concentrate, and taking your time. I hope you guys really enjoyed this DIY video, and if you did, please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye.